If you're ready to confess your love but aren't sure how to express it, you're not alone. Saying I love you can be daunting. To help you articulate your feelings, we've compiled a variety of romantic, heartfelt, and even humorous love messages, along with expert advice from relationship coaches on crafting sincere confessions. Whether you're texting or writing a note, the key is honesty and openness, even if the other person isn't ready to reciprocate. For inspiration, consider sweet lines like, "You're my whole world," or "I love you more than coffee on a Monday morning." A little warmth and creativity can make a meaningful impact, so don't hesitate to share your feelings with a cute text or a heartfelt message.